In the world of lean systems, there are different approaches for achieving efficient operations. Among these methods, this video will cover a revolutionary school of thought called quantum lean. Specifically, we will cover this subject and explain what is quantum lean, how it is different from other approaches, and why you should use quantum lean. In a nutshell, quantum lean is a simplified approach to improving operations. A lot of times, lean implementations are waste-focused and directly attack the 7 wastes that impair efficiency. By contrast, quantum lean is time-centric and indirectly eliminates waste by concentrating on the time that a product spends on the shop floor. This approach is not only simpler, but is also a system that more completely identifies and eliminates waste. To expand on this point, consider the 7 wastes. In every case, these inefficiencies increase a product's time on the floor. For example, excess motion will increase the time that it takes to complete a process. Similarly, waiting creates the same result. The upshot of this is that quantum lean leverages the fact that time is the common denominator for all waste. It's similar to a strategy that won World War II. You can target all kinds of military assets, but the Allies prioritized ball bearing plants. By eliminating the one thing that an entire war machine depended on, it was a way of killing many birds with one stone. Similarly, quantum lean operates on the idea that waste needs time in order to exist. By eliminating a product's time on the floor, waste has nowhere to hide. While you can attack waste in its multitude of forms, it's a lot simpler to focus on time. Although the quantum lean wrinkle might seem like a distinction without a difference, it's a subtle twist that allows for a radical improvement in simplicity and effectiveness. While waste-focused and time-centric approaches both work, minimizing a product's time and system is faster, easier, and more effective. Not only is quantum lean a simpler approach than other systems, it is also the difference between lean and mean and skinny and pissed. Typical lean initiatives can be so cost-obsessed that customers, employees, and shareholders get shafted. Quantum lean avoids this trap. As a case in point, consider the airline industry. Out of all the airlines, there is one that consistently earns a profit, maintains high customer satisfaction, and has excellent employee relations. Which one? Southwest Airlines. As of 2020, Southwest has achieved 47 consecutive years of profitability. By comparison, other airlines lose money and go bankrupt with astonishing frequency. In addition, Southwest consistently comes out at the top of customer satisfaction rankings. Furthermore, Southwest is frequently rated as one of the best places to work in America. This company heralds a track record of 0 layoffs and 0 pay cuts since its inception. How is this done? With quantum lean principles. As an example, one key to Southwest's stellar performance is that they focus on flow and time and system where other airlines are obsessed with attacking waste. Specifically, when a Southwest plane lands, the overriding goal is to unload, load, and take off as quickly as possible. By contrast, other airlines squeeze customers and employees while remaining indifferent to gate times. At the same time, these companies often lose money as well as alienate customers, shareholders, and employees alike. Like many breakthroughs, Southwest stumbled onto their unique formula. In the beginning, they owned 2 planes and borrowed one to serve 3 cities. Eventually, the loaner's owner wanted their plane back. With a smaller fleet, Southwest faced a dilemma. Lacking capital, they couldn't afford a new plane. On top of this, they couldn't afford to lose the cash flow that would come from cutting their services either. Instead, they investigated how to handle their routes with the remaining planes. In the end, they found that minimizing gate time enabled just that. In this happy ending, Southwest served all their customers with 2 rather than 3 planes. In other words, they achieved the same sales with 2/3 of the overhead. Doing this converted a moderately profitable business into an industry leader. If you're wondering why flow and time and system are so essential to Southwest Airlines' business model, a major benefit from quick turnarounds is that freed up time allows more flights to be scheduled. Since airlines make their money at every departure, Southwest maximizes the number of times they can earn. For example, with the lengthy gate times that are typical in the industry, an average airline might be able to schedule 4 flights per day for 1 plane. By contrast, the minimum gate times allow Southwest to not only schedule equal to a typical airline, but they can also fit in even more flights as a result. In addition to this increased cash flow, this unique approach optimizes the company's cost structure. Compared to typical versions of Lean, Quantum Lean offers key advantages including: Quantum Lean is simple. By focusing on the time that a product spends in fulfillment, Quantum Lean offers a simple approach to making operations more efficient. By contrast, cost-based fixations bring complications. With a laser-like focus on the product, Quantum Lean also offers a consistent frame of reference that prevents conflicting objectives. By contrast, other systems lack this focus and do nothing to avoid the inherent conflicts between people and departments. Being simple, consistent, and centered on the common sense idea that time is money, Quantum Lean is easy for a workforce to rally around. By comparison, standard approaches lack Quantum Lean's simplicity and consistency and are more prone to division. With all of its advantages, Quantum Lean is a faster approach that offers a win-win-win scenario where everyone benefits at the same time. Customer satisfaction increases. Facilitating the product is another way of prioritizing the customer. Even if the two never meet, an employee indirectly serves the customer by serving the product. Employee morale increases. If the product is truly prioritized, barriers to employee effectiveness are minimized. The job gets easier and innate satisfaction comes with the job well done. Shareholder morale increases. With more money from increased cash flow and reduced cost, how could it not be? Real-world examples like Southwest demonstrate how Quantum Lean enables employees, shareholders, and customers to share in the benefits for a win-win-win situation. With the central organizing principle that time is money, much is accomplished. As you can see, Quantum Lean's advantages are overwhelming. With basic information about Quantum Lean, the question that most often gets asked is how to get started. For more information about Quantum Lean, YouTube's Quantum Lean Systems channel has additional videos that are loaded with practical tips. In addition, get the book Quantum Lean for a complete and easy-to-understand explanation of Quantum Lean principles and how to apply this breakthrough approach in a wide variety of settings. For information about Quantum Lean and online and in-person courses on this subject, contact our nonprofit partner Beehive Fund for information. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the future. Don't miss out.